I think it was the second match of the group stage lah. Menentang Myanmar.
Yes.
So it was a corner lah for them. So I jumped. When I landed on one foot, I think Amri landed his shoulder right on my ankle. So it broke my fibula and dislocated my ankle lah. So
kaki berpusing.
So it was awful lah bila you tengok kaki you dah ke belakang kan. It was bad lah.
And Syadan ceritakan nampak kaki dia you pusing balik
Macam you tak percaya kan kaki you ke belakang ni. Apa ni kan? Ni betul ke tak ni? So macam naturally I try and macam straightkan balik lah. So I think it went back in lah.
Tapi time tu memang sakit lah.
At that moment more of disbelief lah. Macam apa ni kaki ke bukan ni kan. Then the pain came when you were in the ambulance lah. Every bump tu you rasa lah kaki you.
Itu I dapat lihat tau. Amri punya reaction. Amri dah macam bro.
Terus actually the whole team actually the reaction lah. So there was one and I suffered the exact same injury on the other leg in 2023. 2023.
Yeah.
So maybe dia nak balancekan balik.
During a friendly match sama.
Friendly game.
Itu apa jadi?
Tu friendly match lah. I
Tackle
was step from behind lah.
Dia punya bunyi satu stadium.
So Amy was there lah.
Sebelah je.
So reaction pun sama macam 2014. So I could see the reaction of my teammates lah.
Dia punya bunyi macam mana? Like
Kuat. Like
patah
kayu patah.
Kayu patah.
And I was like, I look at his leg, then I quickly turn. I cannot.
Itu pun dah
Terus
terkena
terduduk
juga ke apa?
Sama. Dislocate and fractured fibula juga. Sama. Cuma lain kaki je. So the journey to come back was painful lah. I think makan masa dalam 7-8 bulan before started playing back. Then with plate dekat kaki kan. Then I got a refracture twice lagi. Because of the plate lah. Because it's stronger than your bone kan. So bila orang tendang tu cause a crack lagi. So sometime lagi to recover.
Ni after 2023 lah?
Ni yang bila 2014 tu.
2014.
So 2023 dah tahu kan. So I know what to do after lah. So 2014 tu main balik refracture. Recover main balik refracture lagi. So I thought I told the doctor keluarkan lah plate ni lah. Macam enough lah. It's causing so much discomfort and re-injury. So alhamdulillah lepas keluarkan tu rasa selesa lah sangat.
Tapi bila Pak Syadan dapat kecederaan tu kan, pada malam tu when you're in the hospital, have you ever thought that maybe it's over?
Of course. Yeah, it did cross my mind lah. Pada masa tu di hospital seorang kan. Then you macam is this the end lah of my career lah. But macam at the same time, so saya katakan mungkin when I grow up tu with this hard senior players kan, mungkin tu yang mental strength tu datang lah. So macam jangan give up lah. Kita teruskan cuba dan tengok macam mana lah.
So menunjukkan the nasihat yang you dapat daripada senior players tu, it works with you only many years later.
Yes, itulah yang saya cakap. Realize after,
Realize after.
not immediately, because you rasa macam apa yang keras sangat ni diorang ni kasar sangat. Then bila you dah at this age, when you are that age, at their age kan, then you realize macam this is why macam alhamdulillah I managed to last lah all these setback, injury, because of the mental strength that they built when I was young.